evening friends, good evening YouTube. And yeah, just heading back home from work. Actually need to get my bike washed, man. So it's like super duper dirty, like super duper dirty. I can't even freaking see my number plate. And yeah, it's been raining off and on in Mumbai, not much. So now it's pretty nice and dry. I prefer it dry. So and also in regards to the rain, so when we speak about rains, all our bikers would be investing in raincoats and rain gear and what not. But there is some certain new invention that has come up. It was not there last year, it's come out this year. It's called a bike umbrella. Now I mean, you must have seen a normal umbrella, but what the fuck is a bike umbrella? I was heading home the other day and I seen a couple of bikes parked with a sort of like, you know, a setup done on the bike attached to the handlebar, like a sort of like a frame in which there's a covering over you, like a look like an auto rickshaw or something like that. But it's kind of unique and ingenious for especially vehicles like smaller vehicles like Activa and all that. So like small scooters, 100cc bikes. I mean, they had displayed it on a unicorn, but it looked, I mean, sort of like the jugaad for rains. But trust me, it has its cons. So I don't see any pros in that, because I would be better off wearing a very good proper rain gear, like a proper rain suit or a raincoat. Yes, I use now a Versalis raincoat which I recently purchased. I'll be doing a small review of it soon, and I've used it once and it has been really awesome. So last year, if you see my previous vlogs, I used a Versalis raincoat which is orange. This time I got a black and red, so it looks kind of cool. So yeah, coming back to the bike umbrella. So I don't know if these guys are sitting there. You will find them mostly in the Airoli, just before Airoli Toll Naka. And yeah, it cost around 800 bucks. And there's another version where you have zippers. So you have something in front and then at the side you have zippers. I'm like, what the hell? Now coming back to the cons of it, I mean, I don't think that will give you much of rain protection, because in case of heavy rains, you will, I mean, there's a lot of lashing of water on it. I don't know how much it will soak and how much it will protect you from rain, but definitely it will do a really shitty job in case there are crosswinds. So in a normal situation, when there are crosswinds, a normal biker also suffers in regards to that. Okay, wait, ruko bhai. Then another triple C. Oh god. So crosswinds would affect it a lot, and that could be actually be dangerous, because the bike can move left, right, I don't know, hit something, I don't know what. But what was told to me, which will be seen in the video, that the bike's maximum speed is 50 when you attach that. I'm like, yeah, 50 also maybe crosswinds hote hai bhai. So it's kind of a very risky thing. It looks nice, it's a nice invention, but I mean, try it at your own risk, man. I mean, I won't suggest it. And people who just want to have fun, I mean, yeah, if you use your bike just to go here to the market or something like that, it's cool. But no ways you're taking it out on with that setup on the highways or the national highways, or even coming to work on the Western Express Highway or the Eastern Express Highway. I've seen people even, I mean, this guy had purchased it for about 800 bucks and he took off. It was a Honda Unicorn. You will see that in the video. So the one with the zipper, I think, should cost some 1050 or something like that, and within 1200, and the other one costing 800 bucks. So it's quite nice to see like an invention, but then they should serve the purpose. So the purpose needs to be solved. I mean, it's just another jugaad type. Which will work, which will not work. May work, may not work. So, I don't know. It looks nice, but I'm not in favor of it. So, in case you just drop me a comment below and see on what your views are. I would really like to know. And some good videos will be coming up. So I'm uploading more and more videos as I get the time. And damn, that's a nice thing. This is one reason why I like riding on Airoli Bridge, because of the view. So you see, it's so windy. I mean, how can you ride with that? So please do let me know in the comment section what your views are. And keep subscribing, keep sharing, subscribe to my channel, and ride safe, wear your gear, wear your helmet, most important, and take care. God damn. ये फ्रेम के ऊपर अटैच्ड है क्या? ये फ्रेम के ऊपर अटैच्ड है?
ये लगाने के बाद आपका स्पीड लिमिट है ना सर 56 to 70।
अच्छा,
तो इसमें साइड से भी डोर आता है, साइड से भी पूरा पैक। नहीं चाहिए तो साइड का डोर निकाल दो। धूप है, बारिश है, धूप है ना, जितना भी आपको रिलैक्स वही आपका ये।
अच्छा,
ये देखिए।
अच्छा ये फ्रेम है क्या?
हाँ, ये फ्रेम के ऊपर अटैच है।
ओके। और पीछे कैसे अटैच है? ओके ओके, तो उड़ेगा नहीं है पीछे से?
1050 में साइड में दरवाजा आएगा।
अच्छा, 1050 में साइड में।
हाँ,
तो
साइड
पूरा
से भी डोर आ जाता है।
लेकिन ऐसा फ्लैट नहीं होगा ऐसा?
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
नहीं,
ऐसे चेन भी है ना कुछ।
अच्छा चेन सिस्टम है।
हाँ, चेन सिस्टम है, बारिश नहीं रहेगा तो निकाल दीजिए।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, some crazy shit. What inventions.